Want to lose belly fat naturally and boost your metabolism every day? Today I'll show you a simple morning and night detox routine that helps flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and speed up fat loss, all with easy home ingredients. Let's start your morning with a fresh detox drink that activates your metabolism and gets your body ready to burn fat all day. Add all the ingredients into a glass of warm water, stir well, and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then drink it on an empty stomach every morning. This simple drink helps flush toxins, reduce bloating, and boost digestion naturally. Now let's prepare your nighttime fat-burning drink to help your body detox while you sleep. Add all ingredients into a pot, pour in 2 cups of water, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then strain it into a cup and enjoy it 30 minutes before bed. This soothing drink helps burn belly fat, improve metabolism, and promote better sleep, all while your body rests. Try this morning and night detox routine for 7 days, and you'll start to feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated. For best results, stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and add light exercise daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others on their wellness journey.